Woza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly wengane zawethu uyazi ukuthi MK Party ibifuna le yanto ka Judge uMadlanga ukuthi ingaqhubeki. Apart from ukuthi the findings are not binding and whatever, but ukuthi umkhwanazi masokhumbula wathi mayebala laphayana abantu aba involved kule criminality akayikhuluma ngayo, wabala namajaji, wabala nejudiciary. So uma ngabe kuukuthi kuzothathwa an active judge kuthiwe akube yiyo ezoheada that commission okanye ezosihlalo lapha kule commission, who knows ukuthi that judge is not involved? What is it that Cyril saw kuma investigations ayenziwa umkhwanazi ebonisayo ukuthi uMadlanga is not involved? Okay, let's say uMadlanga is involved then, or maybe he's not involved. How do we know ukuthi ubani that he is close to or involved? Cause this thing is supposed to be headed by a retired judge. Yabo ama-judge la amadala khona, who can head that thing? But why it has to be uMadlanga? So MK Party ke ifuna i-hearing ihlale and then kuzwakale kahle ukuthi angeke niyahlehla lento okwamanje, and then kutholakala mhlambe i-judge eli right for ukuthi lingaba uchair wale commission. So asazi ke ukuthi kuzokhulunywa kufika iphi, kodwa nje bayakhala ngabe MK Party ukuthi kwase kuphuthunywa kangaka ngeyi17 kuukuthi on the 18th hearing emaqondana nayo lento yokubekwa kuka Judge uMadlanga as uchair. Kungani kungalindwanga kudlula umhla ka18 kube nale hearing kuboniswane kubonana ukuthi kubekwapi kubekwanaphi ebese kuyikhani yaqhubeka ke commission? Because where the commission we know yabona ukuthi nje le 140 million that is going to be spent there, it's a donation, but because the president has chosen to do so, the right yakhe naye as president yabo. But now kujahweni kungalindwa yini le akayibekile lapha kuMadlanga, yini le abayikhulumile noMadlanga? What is it that they have discussed eyenza ukuthi kujahwe kangaka? Why kungalindwa kube nale hearing umhla 18 idlule hearing and then bese ke yaqhubeka ke commission if kuukuthi ke mhlambe bayahlulana? So ezinye izinto nje ezenzakalayo azenzi sense. Yabona nje ubaba wenkomo lo, hayi bafethu niyamthanda nje upresident wenu. Hayi each and every time uyaziprove nje ukuthi ushoda kangakanani, even though nina nithi uhlakaniphile. Hayi mhlawumbe uhlakaniphile kwezinye izinto, mhlambe ekwenzeni sure ukuthi ubani akafe ubani akafuneki, but eyintweni eziserious nje ezithinta icountry yenu nina ayikho nje into akahlakaniphe kuyo mina as far as I'm concerned ke mina khulumela mina, angithi niyangizwa ke.